Stop selling, start showing. Today's topic is video marketing and reels creation. People don't read ads anymore. They scroll, and if your business isn't showing up in that scroll, you are invisible. At Linkbuffer Studios, we don't just make videos, we tell stories. We visit your business, bring our camera and crew and shoot the content, capture the hearts and clicks. We have helped local businesses in Edmonton go from overlooked to unforgettable with just 30 seconds of powerful storytelling. You don't need to be a celebrity, you need a good video. Let's make your business scroll stopping. Book a shoot with Linkbuffer Studios now.